Congress leader Gaurav Pandey has made a stunning claim. This is clearly sensational and this is over Made in India Covaxin. Pandey is claiming that cow calves were slaughtered for Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. In a social media reaction on Twitter, the Congress leader is even claiming that the Covaxin consists of newborn calf serum, which is a portion of clotted blood obtained from less than 20 days young cows and after slaughtering them. The Congress leader has decided to go ahead and share a screenshot. Now he's claiming that this is an RTI response and also stating that the BJP should not betray the faith and belief of people. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena Member of Parliament Priyanka Chaturvedi slammed the Congress leader here, saying that it is such statements based on some RTIs on Covaxin which will only add to further hesitancy, and now by even bringing in religion based on choices to define. All right, I'm going to go across directly to my colleague Milan Sharma. Now, the issue of cow and calves is going to be, of course, very sensational. It could also hurt religious sentiments. So this is playing with fire without any scientific basis. You've been tracking the vaccination and mission for so long now, Milan. What are you picking up on the claims that have come? What RTI response is Gaurav Pandey referring to?
Well, Pooja, this particular RTI response was filed by a person called Vikas Patni, and he's, asked this question that what are the components of the vaccine that Covaxin has, to which this response was given by the Central Drugs Controller General, that this is a process that is used to just mature the viro cells. In fact, we have a statement from the Health Ministry itself on this. In the statement, the Health Ministry has said that the entire tweet that has been put out on social media has been twisted and misconstrued to create panic, and it's a problem because this creates panic on religious lines. The Covaxin, the vaccine does not have any component of newborn calf serum, and that is a process that is only used to mature the viro cells. It's part of a process to create a vaccine. The vaccine component itself does not have anything to do with the slaughtering of cows or the use of serum. In fact, the Health Ministry statement also says that this is a process that's been used to make other vaccines for years, like polio and influenza vaccines, and even for rabies. So scientifically speaking, the Covaxin does not contain any newborn calf serum as being claimed on social media and publicized. This is the statement coming from the Health Ministry at this moment.
Thank you so much, Milan. And also the screenshot he himself has shared does not really refer to any sort of slaughter of the animal. That is an assumption that has come from him. So clearly a statement that could push vaccine hesitancy further. Milan, stay on with me. More breaking news coming in. The government has responded now to the charge made by the Congress leader. It's a follow-up to what we just broke a short while ago. And I quote here, facts have been twisted, misrepresented. Newborn calf serum is used only for preparation or growth of vero cells. Vero cells are completely destroyed in the process of viral growth. Thereafter, this grown virus is also killed, is already inactivated, which means, and purified. This killed virus is then used to make the final vaccine, and in the final vaccine formulation, no calf serum is used. This technique has been used for decades in polio, rabies and influenza vaccines as well, unquote. That's what, Milan, you were telling us about, to elaborate further, because you realize this could be a very big issue for a lot of people, especially from one community, and they may not want to use, if the word is spread that this is of slaughter of cows. So tell us how the government is defending this.
Well, absolutely, Pooja, you are spot on, because this kind of misinformation that has been misconstrued in the entire RTI is being spread like fire, and that results in vaccine hesitancy. The ministry has therefore taken cognizance of this matter and has said and clarified that Bharat Biotech's Covaxin does not contain newborn calf serum or any components of the cow animal at this point, as being stated by Gaurav Pandey in this tweet that he's put out on Twitter on the basis of an RTI. The RTI also there, if you read carefully, says that the FBS method is used to mature or grow viro cells, which is a part and a process of creating a vaccination because the Bharat Biotech uses an inactivated virus. The virus is killed. So first it's matured and then it's killed, and that is how the vaccine is created, but that does not contain anything of the bovine animal or cattle variety, which is why the health ministry, to quell vaccine hesitancy in the country at a time when country needs vaccinations, has come out strongly with this statement, calling this a completely twisted fact that has been put on now.
All right, so what Milan is also telling us is that the government has said that the final vaccination, the jab that you get as a citizen of the country, does not have any serum of the calf or of the cow, and that's what the statement has come. There's some developmental process earlier in which for Verocells it is partially used. Thank you so much, Milan Sharma. So that's a big shocker coming in from a political neta, and clearly who has a huge following.